This whole place takes my breath away somehow. Can we go back to life? So we're underway and the players really looking forward to this game. Good ball. Passed well. Great technique. Pulls the trigger. And that's out for a goal kick. Let's look at this attempt again. No wonder the players thought it was going in. Cleared forward by the goalkeeper. Oh, well intercepted. Now Campbell. Martinez. Easy for the goalkeeper there. Nice play. They've won the ball back again. That's nicely played. Passed inside. That'll be the goalkeeper's ball then. What a ball. Nice work there. Good distribution. They're moving the ball about so well. And he's looking, but the assistant's flag is down. Back off the bar. Oh, that's confident goalkeeping there. They have the ball again. Now that was close. Not much in it there at all. That's good link-up play. Striker's ball. Martinez. And that's a goal kick. Well, let's take another look at that. The keeper hits the goal kick long. Passed inside. The assistant's kept his flag down. He's onside. Off the post. Ah, defending. That's going to be a corner. What does this player have in? They've decided to play it short. Can he finish it? The defender regains possession, and now they're going to try and... Not a good decision there. This could cost his team. Can he get a shot in? Long shot. And he's given possession away in a dangerous place. It'll be interesting to see how close that actually was. It looked like it was going in. Cleared forward by the goalkeeper. Half-time then. Let's hope for some goals in the second half. Goalless then at half-time. Both teams need goals if they're going to win. Good ball. Great passing there. Passed well. Oh, a chance now to turn defence into attack. Some safe passing from this team. Passing the ball really well. Great skill from this player. Surely now, absolutely brilliant goal. His first goal for the team, and I'm sure many more to come. Let's take a closer look at that goal now. And the crowd are well behind their team now they've got that goal. We're back underway. He loves to run with the ball. Good distribution. Lovely bit of skill there. Headed on. Confident pass. Played wide. That's good link-up play. And there's the shot, and that's well wide. Oh, we won't want...